We are live at the graveyard. As you can see, we are ghost hunting right now. Thomas, tell us, what are we doing today?
Ghost hunting, or trying to find out if there's ghosts.
Show us your little device you got. What is that?
These things? I guess they read electrical signals or something?
EMF reader.
Okay, so what are we looking for today?
Do they really exist?
And me right here, I'm on the ghost scanner device. So I'm scanning for voices right now. Follow Tom. So, anything interesting? Oh, shit.
Pretty cool.
You getting any readings?
Nah. I like walking around with it, hoping to get something though.
Okay.
It's pretty tight.
All right. Is there any entity here that could hear us? We would like to communicate. I'm getting static. Is there any entity that wants to communicate with us? Entity that wants to communicate with us. Is there something you want us to know? Okay, let's go for it. You have a headache? What happened? Are you possessed? Are you possessed?
Oh man.
Spirit be gone! Spirit be gone! Yeah. You want to film do the exorcism on Thomas?
Spirit be gone! Get out of our bed!
This is getting kind of creepy.
Say a name from the grave. Pick a name.
Oldenburg, where are you? William Oldenburg, speak. Oh fuck, we cannot hear you. Ooh, I just heard something demonic sounding. There's a lot of signal interference coming from Oldenburg when I talk to him. Let's go scan this guy. Oldenburg, William Oldenburg. Give us some of your ancient wisdom. What is wrong with today's world? You getting anything? I'm just... Salmon, COVID-19. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, but that's just the radio.
What's up, homie? How it goes? What's good?
No. been dead?
A week? Only? Damn.
What's her
May
name?
you rest in peace, my friend.
What's her name?
Cody?
What's her name?
Semayus?
I didn't catch that. Can you say that again?
He called you the bitch.
He said Richard.
Richard? I thought he called you a bitch.
What's your name?
I'm hearing someone talk. I'm hearing someone talk. Holy shit. We got communication.
What's your name again? Was it Richard?
Fuck, I would have caught that great blue heron if I would have fucking not had all this shit in my hand.
Sorry. Talk to this guy.
Try it. You have the only one who not tried. Rile him up. Tell us. Tell us, my friend.
Wait, so this is just regular radio signals?
It scans for them because you could pick them up on those signals.
So this is all the stuff that's around us right now?
Yeah.
All these,
Wait. Look for a grave that says Richard.
All right, let's go for it. Grave with graffiti. Those graves, those cups got knocked over. Oh, that looks you. Midas.
89 though.
87. Oh,
No, wait, 87. Yeah.
damn.
You're the guy that was talking to us, and your name's actually Robert.
It's got the hummingbird.
89, 87?
Yeah. Shoot. I don't think that's him, Thomas.
Okay. Wait.
This one's creepy. This is the most creepy one so far.
Can I see that spirit box?
Oh, fuck. This is kind of creepy. It's creepy as fuck. That is a real tomb. Hey, I heard someone say Joseph.